Here's a follow-up video. I made a video about repairing stair stringers that are separating away from the treads for dadoed or bracket type stairs, and I will put a link to that at the end of the video if you want to check that out, looking for some different ideas. But in this video we are going to use an all thread to try and pull these gaps back together. The first thing you will need to do will be to drill 2 holes. And of course, hopefully you can create a straight line. Usually a straight line can simply be measured with stairways like this by measuring over about 3 or 4 inches from the front of the tread, then coming down about 2 or 3 inches, whatever. But it can all be done with a framing square. And again, this doesn't have to be perfectly perfect, but get it as straight as you possibly can. And you can use whatever size all threads you choose. And all threads come in lengths up to 6 feet. I checked that out on the internet before making the video. And you know, if you have a 3-foot stairway, you're probably going to need a 4-foot all thread. Something 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch should do just fine. But you can always use larger all threads or even smaller ones if as long as they're going to work. And the rest should be relatively simple, and that would be to install the all thread and put a nut and a washer on each side, and of course tighten it up until your gap is closed. And if you need to, you can always install a couple of more all threads in different locations, you know, maybe 2 foot apart, 4 foot apart, something like that, depending upon the problem with the stairway and the length of the stairway, of course. And another thing I want to show you will be that you can actually use the all threads, or possibly use them, to strengthen the stair treads, or at least a couple of them. If you wanted to install one underneath each stair tread, this might be, you know, you might consider replacing the whole stairway. But if you are going to put them in and you want to strengthen a couple of treads, if they are weak, you can simply drill the all thread and then use some type of a block, or have it tight up against the tread like we have here, a block here. And the reason why I put the block in is sometimes you're going to have a stairway like this with brackets attached to the stringers that are going to connect the tread to the stringer. If that's the case, you might need to lower this bar here, or all thread. And if that's the case, you might need a block, and use whatever size block you need. And again, these are just suggestions. This isn't something you have to do, just throwing it out there as something. So again, if you have a stairway, now the person that I'm going to make this video for, or that sent me the question, they said that they're moving, and the stairway, they just don't want to replace the stairway. They don't want to deal with it. But the stairway that is damaged, you know, you are going to come across problems like these, and someone's going to want something repaired, and it's probably going to be better to replace the stairway than to repair it. And of course, that's what I would have suggested to the individual who emailed me this. It has 2x10 stringers, 2x10 treads, and the treads are all sagging, and of course it's coming apart, and it's not a very long stairway, at least. So if you ever fall through, maybe you won't fall too far down to the ground there.